So an update from yesterday, we still have our two counts, one pink, one purple, one, two, three, four, five. Then we're looking for a broad or deep correction, and then the second being one, two, three, four, and then we're looking for a five to the upside. And this five could be an ending diagonal. So if we go down to the lower time frames, my current working theory is that this is a double three where we had a 3, 3, and then a 5 down here with A or W. Then we had a triangle in with P. Then we worked for a 5, 3, 5 in with C or with Y. Now, it could be that this with Y is complete, or that we are forming a 1, 2, 3, and then a 5 wave move to the downside. So what that's going to look like is, this is scenario number one. This is 5 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down. And we're working on 1, 2 to the upside. And then the second scenario is 5 waves down, 3 waves up, and then we're working on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside before reversing back up. So in the immediate short term, if we take this as the bottom of the Y wave, which will then be the bottom of wave 4, then we should be watching out for a 1 2 1 2, but this low was broken, and so the next possible 1 2 scenario that we'll have is, this is the first wave and wave 1, then we're having a flat correction before we move up. I'm a bit on the fence at the moment, because I said in the previous video how the other alternative was that we would be working for a 5 wave move to the downside, and how this could be a diagonal in a wave 1, a leading diagonal, and then maybe this is 1 2 3 in wave 2, that's an ABC, and then we're working on a series of 1 2s to the downside. But now it's beginning to look fishy, I guess. If I these boxes represent 1 2s, so this is 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. We had our 3 down here ends in a truncation, and now 4 is coming up to the level of wave 1. So it's not really, I know corrections can be quite tricky to count because sometimes they overlap, but it's just looking, it doesn't look good. So that count might still be alive. We could still be working in that 1 2 3 4 and then final 5 to the downside. But there's now another possibility, and that other possibility is that we truly did bottom here, and then this is a flat of some sorts, and then we're working to the upside. So my primary two scenarios are 1 2 3 4 5 to the downside, where we take out these lows, and the second is 1, and then there's a flat correction in 2, and then we're working to the upside. So if I zoom in, you will be able to see that this was actually the low here. Then there's a 5 wave move which looks like a diagonal, and then we came down. We didn't get back to that low, and then we're starting to make 5 wave moves to the upside. If I go down to the 5 minute time frame, you'll be able to see that this is a clear 5 wave move, and then this also is a 5 wave move. I counted it as 1 2, let me draw that, 1 2 3 4 and then 5. So it's looking a bit bullish, at least on these lower time frames. So that's why I said I'm a little bit on the fence on it right now. So it really could be either way at this moment. The only thing that will take away this scenario is if we break below these lows here. That's at 3915.345. So if we break below there, then I will be more confident in this 1 2 3 4 5. But then we also have to keep in mind that this could actually be a much deeper and broader correction. I spoke my previous videos about how we could be having a W, X, Y, and XZ. So we just have to watch out for that. Um, So yeah, that's basically it. I'm counting this five wave move up. If it's if it once it finishes, once we reach five waves, I'll be expecting a three wave move down. If I see a three wave move down and a reaction from fib levels, then I might take a trade this despite my ideal scenario being the fact that we should be going down. So it really, at this point, I'm, will I say, a slave to the market. I just have to follow it and place trades that align with what it wants to do. So currently, just waiting to see what happens. I mean, this isn't even the kind of thing I would like to see in a wave one. Is it possible that this could be a 5-3-5? Is that possible in a broader correction of one of these? It could be possible, but again, we just have to wait and see what the market does. At the moment, there isn't enough information to even make that call, but it's a possibility. So, all in all, two scenarios. One is that we follow the we follow this diagonal in a wave one, a wave two, and a wave three. The second is that it is still a diagonal in the beginning, but it's a wave A, and this is a B, and then this is a C, and we bottom there in a, I guess in this case it wouldn't be a flat because it's not a 335, but it would be a zigzag. But it does look like a flat, I guess, like a flat correction, but it would be a zigzag, I guess, or would it? Anyway, so yeah, that's it for now. You just have to keep waiting. So all in all, what we should be watching out for is whether or not once this is broken, whether the retracements will hold up and react from there. If it reacts from there, then that will be a sign that we have flipped, like the move up might have started. Still under possibilities. Again, corrections can be messy, so they can overlap. It happens. It's something I've observed. So yeah, that's it for now.